Hey, welcome to Ryobi. Today I get some exciting news. So Ryobi just announced that they're releasing some new 18-volt battery. They're releasing an 8 amp hour battery and a 12 amp hour battery. So those are going to give you some more running time. Apparently they're going to be a 40% more powerful too, because of the cell that they're using. So they're going to use a cell number 21,700. So those are supposed to be able to give you some extra power. The batteries are going to also run 30% cooler and have a 50% longer life. And this is going to be due to the new way that they're mounting the plate with the laser soldering all the cells together. They're also going to be more robust. So in some of the video that I did before, I don't know if you guys remember, but I was testing the 6 amp hour battery with a half-inch impact gun, and I was removing some wheel nuts from transport truck that were torqued 500 foot-pound, and we're trying to test how many we can take out. But the tool rattles so much that actually inside of here it broke all of the pin that were holding the cells together, banging everything around, and it destroyed the battery. It was the first time I was using that 6 amp hour battery, and it just destroyed it. So they actually changed their technology and the design inside, and I'm showing you the picture here. So it's actually molded plastic that wraps around the cell, and that's going to make it so that the cell cannot vibrate inside the battery and get loose and break some of the tack and soldering that there is for the battery. So they're supposed to be more robust, and then extended protection. So if you bang the battery on the side too, nothing's gonna break inside. Everything's gonna be super protected. They're also releasing a new charger, and that new charger is going to be a super fast charger that can charge up to 8 amp hour. So actually for the 12 amp hour battery, that will charge a 12 amp hour battery in 90 minutes, and the 8 amp hour battery in 1 hour. So that's super quick. Anyway, I'm super excited about those battery. I know I keep saying that all the time. You guys in the US are lucky you're going to have this like super early. It might take a year or it might never come here to Canada. But anyway, those are super exciting news. I'm really interested in those battery. Hopefully I can get them here, and then we can retest them with those guns, those impact drivers, because this is where you're going to have the most shock for the battery, and this is where we're going to be able to see if they can really handle all of that shaking and banging from the tool. So anyway, I'll let you go with that great news, and we'll see you in the next video.